At best. Adverb. Under the best of conditions. At best we'll lose only the money. Synonyms. At the best. At close range. Adverb. Very close. Even firing at close range he missed. Synonyms. Close up. At first blush. Adverb. As a first impression. At first blush the offer seemed attractive. Synonyms. When first seen. At first sight. Adverb. On first seeing someone or something, immediately. It was love at first sight. Synonyms. At first glance. At hand. Adjective. Close in space, within reach. The town is close at hand. Synonyms. Close at hand. At hand. Adjective. Close in time, about to occur. Retribution is at hand. Synonyms. Close at hand. Imminent. Impendent. Impending. At heart. Adverb. In reality. She is very kind at heart. Synonyms. At bottom. Deep down. In spite of appearance. Inside. At large. Adverb. In a general fashion. He talked at large about his plans. Synonyms. In a broad way. At large. Adjective. Having escaped, especially from confinement. A convict still at large. Synonyms. Escaped. Loose. On the loose. At least. Adverb. If nothing else. At least he survived. Synonyms. At any rate. Leastways. Leastwise. At least. Adverb. Not less than. At least 2 hours studying the manual. Synonyms. At the least. At length. Adverb. In a lengthy or prolix manner. She talked at length about the problem. Synonyms. Lengthily. At long last. Adverb. As the end result of a succession or process. At long last the winter was over. Synonyms. At last. Finally. In the end. Ultimately. At most. Adverb. Not more than. Spend at most $20 on the lunch. Synonyms. At the most. At odds. Adjective. In disagreement. The figures are at odds with our findings. Synonyms. Conflicting. Contradictory. Self-contradictory. At one time. Adverb. At a previous time. At one time he loved her. Synonyms. Erst. Erstwhile. Formerly. Once. At present. Adverb. At the present moment. He is busy at present writing a new novel. Synonyms. Now. At random. Adverb. In a random manner. Bullets were fired into the crowd at random. Synonyms. Arbitrarily. Every which way. Haphazardly. Indiscriminately. Randomly. Willy-nilly. At the same time. Adverb. Overlapping in duration. Going to school and holding a job at the same time. Synonyms. Concurrently. At variance. Adjective. Not in accord. Desires at variance with his duty. Synonyms. Discrepant. Dissonant.
Shake us.